Two-dimensional solutions for mathematics. Today we are discussing some questions and its special features of polynomials for ninth standard. And this concept, every student should be aware about that or joining or attending the exam, board exams and so on for higher studies also. Here is a question and I am giving its concept also along with it. Evaluate Px equals 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 14x minus 3. That polynomial is given here. P of 0. P of 0 means in the place of x in the given polynomial P of x, you have to substitute 0 in the place of x. That is 4 into 0 cube minus 12 into 0 square plus 14 into 0 minus 3. That is 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 3. For example, 4 into 0 cube, when a number is multiplied with 0, the resulting answer will be 0. From this, we should consider that P of 0 equals minus 3. That is, the concept behind this is that for a polynomial P of x, P of 0 defines the 0 degree term of P of x. For example, P of x equals 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 14x minus 3. Then, what is P of 0? As you can say, the P of 0 is 0 degree term of this polynomial. 0 degree term is 3, 2, 1, 0. Minus 3x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means 1. Therefore, minus 3 into 1 minus 3. That is, 0 degree term is minus 3. Here, for a polynomial P of x, P of 0 defines the 0 degree term of the polynomial. Usually, in a polynomial, the terms are arranged in such a way that the degrees of the terms should be in the descending order of magnitude. Therefore, the degree of this P of x is 3 and the next terms are 2, 1, 0. Like that, we have to arrange. Therefore, everyone should know that for a polynomial P of x, P of 0 is the 0 degree term, that is P of 0 is minus 3. That is given here as the concept. For a polynomial P of x, P of 0 defines the 0 degree term of P of x. Next concept, I am going to next concept. P of x equals x raised to 4 plus 2 x raised to 3 minus 3x squared plus x minus 7. The degree of this polynomial is 4. And P of 1, what is P of 1? P of 1 means in the place of x, I am substituting 1. 1 raised to 4 plus 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 squared plus 1 minus 7. That is 1 raised to 4 is 1 plus 2 into 1 cube means 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. 1 squared is 1. There 3 into 1 plus 1 minus 7. That is 1 plus 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 7. I am adding the positives 1, 2 and 1 as 4 and minus 3 and minus 7 as minus 10 and the answer is minus 6. From this we can conclude that in the polynomial P of x, x raised to 4 plus 2x raised to 3 minus 3x squared plus x minus 3, the degree of this polynomial is 4. But what is P of 1? P of 1 means the sum of the coefficients of the terms of the polynomial. That is, here the coefficient of the first term is 1. The second term is plus 2. The third term is minus 3. The fourth term is plus 1. And the fourth term minus 7. Minus 7 x raised to 0. That x raised to 0 is means 1. And minus 7 x raised to 0. Minus 7 only x raised to 0 is understood. Therefore, positive 1 the coefficient plus positive 2, positive 1, positive 2, minus 3, plus 1, minus 7. Here, the coefficients are written in such a way. When we evaluate p of 1, in the place of x, if we substitute, we will get the coefficients at the end as an arrow. And when simplified, positive 1, positive 2, positive 1 gives positive 4, minus 3, minus 7 gives minus 10, positive 4 and minus 10 results in minus 6. Therefore, P of 1 equals minus 6. That is the concept here. For a polynomial P of x, P of 1 defines the sum of the coefficients of the polynomial P of x. For sum of the coefficients of the terms of the polynomial P of x. That's that we are going for the third one. Check whether x minus 1 is a factor of P of x equals x raised to 3 minus 27x cubed plus 8x plus 18. That is, here given a polynomial P of x cubed minus 27x squared plus 8x plus 18. And check whether x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, that is, a hidden factor in P of x. When x minus 1 multiplied by any other polynomial results in this, is check whether it is true or false. For that, I am doing one concept. P of x equals x cubed minus 27x squared plus 8x plus 18, the given polynomial. X minus 1 equals 0, first of all I am considering. Therefore, x equals 1. That is, 1 is the 0 of this small polynomial q of x, I am supposing. X equals 1. That is the 0 of the polynomial. Therefore, P of 1 equals x cube, 1 cube minus 27 into 1 squared plus 8 into 1 plus 18. In the place of x, I am substituting 1, the 0 of this x minus 1. That is 1 minus 27 into 1 plus 8 into 1 plus 18. That is very simply we can add the coefficients. I already given the here the sum of the coefficients of the polynomial is P of 1 for any polynomial. Therefore, P of 1 is sum of the coefficients here. 1 minus 27 plus 8 plus 18. That is 1 plus 8 plus 18 plus 27 and minus 27 gives 0. P of 1 equals 0. From this we can conclude that P of 1 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of P of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared, 27x squared plus 8x plus 18. That is, x minus 1 is a factor we can establish.